ragazzi, today's special spaghetti puttanesca. Let's go. I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna show you how we made it, okay? Because this is a very classic Italian pasta. Amazing. Amazing. Today's ingredients are fresh spaghetti alla chitarra. We have some garlic. We have some olives, some anchovies, some capers, a little bit of oregano, chili flakes, tomato sauce, fresh cherry tomatoes, parsley, fresh parsley, olive oil, and white wine. Okay, let's start with some garlic. Okay, extra virgin olive oil. Now we're gonna cut the tomatoes. All right, we're gonna cut one anchovy for that. Actually, 2 little anchovies for this. We're gonna put the anchovies inside. There we go. Going to remove, at this point, we're gonna remove all the garlic. I'm gonna grab the tomatoes. We're gonna grab some capers, black olives, touch of oregano, a little bit, chili flakes, as much as you like, okay? And you're just gonna saute this simple thing. I wish I can drink it, but no. We're gonna put the white wine inside, okay? At this point, we're gonna put some tomato sauce inside. La salsa puttanesca, olives, capers, anchovies, spicy, tomato, cherry tomato, everything you want. You cannot make pasta without the salt, and the salt needs to taste like the ocean, the water. Okay, so there we go. Now we're gonna put the pasta. And now the final touch. We're gonna marry the pasta with the sauce, spaghetti, alla chitarra, like we say. It's also called alla chitarra because of the shape. They used to make it with an instrument that looked like a guitar, that's why. But puttanesca in Italian, putta means horse. So it's a very difficult word to say here, you know? But basically, because of the strong flavor, people go crazy, you know, they just want to spend money and they go because of the flavor that it has, you know, the magic, you know. And it's a pasta from Naples. Remember always the water, a little bit more olive oil, parsley, fresh parsley. Tan, tan, tan. Look at this beautiful thing. This is how we do it here. There we go. Beautiful, huh? You like it, huh? Yeah, I love it. I love this pasta. Spaghetti alla chitarra, puttanesca sauce. Amazing. There we go. Boom. A little bit of parsley. A touch of olive oil. This plate, guys, is amazing. This is the puttanesca sauce. Black olives, capers, anchovies. It just looks amazing. So let's try it. Let's try it. See what we did today. This pasta is a winner. Amazing. Come and visit us at Borti Pasta, okay?